Looking for decorative towels that bring both style and substance to your space? Avanti Linens offers 100% cotton towels that don't just look good, they feel great and hold up over time. Whether you want to add a splash of color or a touch of elegance, these towels deliver on every front. I recently added the animal parade towels in medium brown and gold to my living room, draping them over my recliner's arms and headrest. The African safari design instantly transformed the look, giving my space a warm, inviting vibe. What really stood out was the quality. The threads didn't snag or pull, even after regular use. While I'm still testing how the decorative band at the bottom holds up after washing, my past experience with Avanti products assures me they're built to last. Avanti Linens is recognized as the world's largest manufacturer of decorative bath towels and accessories, and their reputation for top-tier design and quality is well-earned. Each towel weighs about 2 pounds, made with care in the US from premium cotton sourced from Canada, combining durability with a soft, luxurious feel. If you're ready to upgrade your home with towels that blend fashion and function seamlessly, Avanti Linens is worth a look. If you want towels that not only enhance your decor but also stand up to everyday life without snagging or fading, Avanti Linens offers exactly that. Try them when you're ready to experience the difference quality makes.